Hey Cedar Park, good morning. John here from American Eagle Plumbing. Today we are replacing a house side meter valve out in the yard. As you can see right here, had to dig it all up, and it's just really important that when you go into a project like this that you have the right tools and the right equipment to go ahead and get this done so you're not without water for the whole day. This here is the valve that we had to replace. As you can see, it's pretty old, corroded. And as you can see right down in here, the yellow handle is the valve that we replaced, and it's currently in the off position, but we're going to go ahead and open that up and flush out the water. I have the outside hose bib open so we can flush that out real good before anything gets in the home and mucks up the aerators. But what I've done here is completely disconnected the water lines and installed the new meter valve, and there's a couple access guys right here. We're going to go ahead and put those back in place so that homeowner can turn the water off in case of emergency and doesn't have to call the city out or a plumber out to turn the water off. So it's a really good idea. A couple things is if you are going to go ahead and do something like this on your own, make sure you have all the right tools and the knowledge as to how to do it correctly so you're not stuck without water on end. And then the other thing is it's also a good idea to know where exactly your water shutoff is and how to get that shut off and to make sure that that valve works, because in case you do have an emergency, you can get the water shut off as you wait for somebody to come and help you. I'm John from American Eagle Plumbing. If you don't know where it is, we'd be happy to help you. Typically these valves are on the outside of your home, near the sidewalk, out by the curb. If you're not aware as to where those are, we'd be happy to show you and tell you where they are. Thanks so much. Have a great day.